Is the universe infinite? Does it stretch forever? Or does it fold in on itself, like a dream with no end and no beginning? Imagine standing on a cliff's edge, peering out into the night sky. The stars above you are ancient. Some have already died, their light just now brushing your eyes. And beyond those stars, more stars. Beyond those galaxies, more galaxies. But where does it stop? This is the great cosmic riddle, one that physicists, cosmologists, and philosophers have wrestled with since humanity first looked up and dared to wonder, is the universe infinite? Or is it somehow bounded? The observable universe, a bubble of light. Let's start with what we know. Our telescopes show us a sphere of visibility, the observable universe. It's around 93 billion light-years in diameter, a mind-shattering size. Within it are at least 2 trillion galaxies, housing more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Planets like Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, even distant exoplanets like Kepler 186f, TRAPPIST-1e, or Gliese 581g drift in this ocean of space. But this bubble isn't the universe itself. It's just the part we can see, limited by the age of the universe, 13.8 billion years, and the speed of light. Beyond that, we simply don't know. Yet. If it's infinite, what does that mean? If the universe is truly infinite, then it never ends. It stretches endlessly in every direction. That means there are infinite galaxies, infinite stars, and possibly even infinite versions of you, playing out every possible outcome in every possible way, somewhere out there in the cosmic expanse. In an infinite cosmos, everything that can happen does happen, infinitely. Somewhere out there, you're reading this from a city made of clouds. Somewhere else, Earth never formed. Somewhere, time reversed. This is where quantum physics and the many worlds theory creep in, suggesting that not only is the universe infinite in space, but in possibility. Or is it finite, but unbounded? Here's the plot twist. The universe might not be infinite, just strange. Some theories suggest space is curved, like the surface of a sphere or a 4D torus. You could travel in one direction forever, and eventually return to your starting point, without ever encountering an edge. Einstein's general relativity allows for this possibility. Space-time could be finite, but without boundaries, like a video game world that loops in on itself. No walls, no limits, just endless traversal. And because we can't see the full structure, it's like trying to understand a planet by standing on one blade of grass. What the universe could be. A Peating hypersphere, curving through higher dimensions. A bubble among bubbles, in a multiverse filled with other universes. A cosmic simulation where infinite is just part of the programming. A fractal structure where zooming in forever always reveals more. An infinite mirror of creation. The final wonder. We may never know the true shape or extent of the universe. It could be infinite, or just feel that way from our limited perspective. It could be expanding into something else, or folding in on itself like origami in slow motion. But here's what's truly infinite. Our curiosity. We're particles of consciousness, drifting in a cosmic sea, asking questions so large the universe itself might never finish answering them. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're staring not just at space. You're staring into a mystery so vast, it might never end. And that is beautiful.